what going on. If you are new to my channel, my name is Ashley and I make videos on health, fitness, lifestyle, and overall just a good time. If you are into this type of content, please be sure to subscribe, like the video, and leave me a comment down below. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you my skincare routine. So I want to preface this video with, I am not a skincare professional. I do not claim to be. I'm just simply sharing my skincare routine and some of the products that have worked for me. Some are new products that I'm trying, but yeah, I just wanted to share all of it with you. If you want to try any of these products out, please be sure to check with a skincare professional. So with that being said, let's get into the video. Every time I post a photo on my Instagram story, a lot of persons message asking, oh my God, what is your skincare routine? Your skin is so clear and it just looks so perfect. So today I wanted to share with you how I get that perfect looking skin that you see on Instagram. So the first thing that you want to do is open your camera on Instagram, and then you take that picture, right? So it'll come out something like that. And what you want to do next is swipe left, and then you'll get this filter called Paris. That's my skincare routine. That's how I get clear skin on Instagram. It's the Paris filter, right? Listen, guys, my skin is not perfect by any means. So sometimes I would like be feeling so pretty. I would like that. I love how I look, and then I move, and then the filter comes off. And I'm just like, I'm looking kind of rough. It's so important to remember what your skin and your face actually looks like without a filter. Most of what we see on Instagram is not filter free, let's be honest. Anyway, so I wanted to share with you, like for real, how I, or at least what I'm trying to do to improve my skin. So first things first, I have very dry skin. I struggle with that quite a bit. My skin actually looks really dull sometimes. Another problem area for me is my under eyes. I have very dark, sunken in under eyes. That's something that I'm really trying to fix. So the first thing I do is I wash my face with this Hydra Boost jelly milk made with hyaluronic acid. And hyaluronic acid is good for plumping your skin and keeping your skin hydrated. Since I suffer with very dry skin, this is perfect for me. For all of the products that I'm talking about in this video, I will make sure I leave it in my description box as well as with the links. So I bought this facial brush because I've really been eyeing the Foreo, but the Foreo is so expensive. The Foreo is about like 80 pounds or 100 pounds. I'm just like, I don't know if it's gonna be like extremely great, amazing. I don't know. So I wanted to try an alternative that's a lot more cost effective. So I opted for this one from Amazon. The brand is just called Warm Ray Leaf, and then you can adjust the settings here to increase the intensity. It has about 5, 6, 7, 8. It has about like 8 speeds. It gives me a deeper clean and my face just looks a whole lot brighter. It's like all the dead skin has come off, but also there are other products that may have played a role in that too. Another thing I love about using this facial cleanser is the fact that it vibrates. So I feel like it's giving my face like a nice massage. Like I thoroughly enjoy using this. So the next thing I do after I pat my face dry is I use this Clean and Clear on a cotton pad. So this is not what I usually use. I usually use the Neutrogena alcohol-free toner, but I went into the store to get one. They didn't have, and I ended up picking this up. Something you learn about me is that I am not a hoarder. I would literally finish this and then get back to my regular Neutrogena alcohol-free toner. Next product that I use is this caffeine solution by the brand The Ordinary. The Ordinary is you know, high quality ingredients at a very affordable price, and that's why they're so popular, because they're so affordable, and in my opinion they really do work. And it says that it reduces appearance of eye contour, pigmentation, and puffiness. I've been using this for about a month, and I noticed that the corner of my eyes here that would have previously had lots of fine lines, that is now completely smoothed. Like, there are no lines there, so I feel like when I put on my concealer, it goes on a lot better. My makeup sits a lot better without the lines. It is very lightweight. It's a win-win because it's also very affordable too. The next thing I do is I use this Azalea acid suspension, 10%. And it's also from the brand The Ordinary. And as I said before, I struggle with dull looking skin. So I'm really looking for products that will help to brighten my skin. And this is a multifunctional brightening formula. I have used this, I think this is my second or third one. And I have noticed major improvements in the texture of my skin. The next thing I do is put on my moisturizer. This is the moisturizer that I use. It's from the same line as the face cleanser, and it's the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Water Gel. This also has the hyaluronic acid, which again plumps your skin and really gives me the hydration that I need. It's really light. It's not anything that's like too thick and creamy. Then I add my sunscreen. It is the Unseen Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 40 by Supergoop. This is kind of expensive though. I mean, for a sunscreen, what I should be doing is buying probably like a Neutrogena one and use that for every day, and then only use this when I'm applying makeup. So that's all that I used for this particular skincare routine. There are a couple of other items that I use in the night, and I will share them with you. As I said, I love the brand The Ordinary, and they have a retinoid that I used to use, but for some strange reason, The Ordinary is sold out of all my favorite products. But I do follow this guy by the name of Skincare by Hiram on YouTube.
My name's Hiram, and I'm passionate about teaching you how to perfect your skincare routine. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can see my videos every single week.
And I love him and his videos because they're so informative. You can literally search for anything and people just recommend amazing products, so you kind of don't have to waste your money. So because The Ordinary sold out of their retinoid, I wanted to try a different brand. So there's this brand called Drunk Elephant that is so expensive, but I decided to try this little mini set. It came in this box, and it's a mini set that includes a retinol cream, intensive hydration serum. These are super small, however, I decided that it would be wise to buy the mini tester size before I spend 65 pounds on retinol. It diminishes the appearance of fine lines, deep wrinkles, and sun damage, revealing a vibrant, younger looking complexion. Retinol and supportive peptides restore bounce, resilience, and a brighter clarity to skin while helping to even skin tone and texture without the associated redness and irritation. So this is so true. This product has not irritated my skin whatsoever. What it will do is remove all that dead skin. One time Nika did my makeup and I was so close to her face and I asked her, oh my God, what are you using on your skin? And she was like this. I was like, wow. I would definitely buy the full size one. If I would repurchase this one, I don't know. I'm really just trying to work on my skin, guys. I don't have perfect skin and I'm willing to try a few things out to see what works for me. Like if I can have good skin without a filter, I mean, that's something I think we we all should try to aim for. Hold on. So I wanted to share with you another product that I bought from Amazon. I just love Amazon. I'm gonna dread returning to Ghana because the next day delivery and these quick deliveries that I get with Amazon in the UK here are just phenomenal, just bliss. But I just put my face over a bowl of hot water because I don't have a steamer here, and there are different settings. And then I just use it to like clean like the side of my nose, on top of my nose, like my cheeks, my chin, just everywhere. Wherever there is congestion, I found that this really helped to get it out in a different way as compared to that blackhead remover, and it doesn't leave any marks on your skin like a blackhead remover does, you know. So I think it's a lot gentler on your skin, which I love. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give it a like and leave me a comment down below and let me know what is your skin type, and if you have dry skin like me, what are some of the products that you've been using. I would love to know. If I can tell you one thing, it would just be to ensure you wear your sunscreen and ensure you take care of your skin, because we're trying to age gracefully and look as youthful for as long as possible. So that's the goal. And until I see you next time, remember to live a fit 360 lifestyle, healthy body, healthy mind, always. Mwah.